Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to add a file to a card on the Trello app using your phone. If you want to organize your tasks efficiently and attach important documents to your cards, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and simply. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the board and select the card to which you want to manage. Tap on the card to open its details. Then, look for the option that says Add Attachment and tap on it. From the menu that appears, choose the File option to select a file from your phone. After that, browse through your phone storage and select the file you want to attach. Once selected, the file will begin uploading to your card. You can repeat this process if you need to attach multiple files. Finally, verify that the file appears correctly in the card and is accessible whenever you need it. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching.